In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your OneDrive account to PandaDoc. By the end of this video, you'll be able to pull in files from your OneDrive storage directly into your PandaDoc documents, making it so much faster and easier to keep your projects organized and up to date. Alright, let's jump right in, and don't worry, I'll walk you through every step so you won't miss a thing. First, make sure you have your PandaDoc document open. Think of this document as your digital workspace where you compile all your content, kind of like laying out paper on a desk, but way more flexible. Now locate the spot where you want to add an image or a video. This could be anywhere within your document. Maybe you want to add a company logo on the cover page or insert a product video further down. Wherever you want your media to go, just drag and drop it onto the page. If you've never used PandaDoc's drag and drop feature before, it's pretty intuitive. Simply click on the image or video file from your computer and drag it over to the open page in PandaDoc, then let go. You'll see it settle right where you drop it, just like pinning a photo to a corkboard. Once you've done that, look right below the spot where you just placed your item. You'll notice a few small icons pop up, each representing a different source you can connect. Among them, you should see the OneDrive icon. It usually looks like a little blue cloud. This is the key to pulling content straight from your Microsoft OneDrive storage. Go ahead and click on that icon. What you're doing here is telling PandaDoc, hey, I want to bring in files from my OneDrive account. Now, if this is your first time connecting PandaDoc to OneDrive, you'll get a prompt to sign in. Don't worry, this is totally normal and secure. PandaDoc just needs to make sure it knows which OneDrive account to access. Take a moment to enter your Microsoft login details. If you've got two-factor authentication enabled, keep your phone handy for the code. This step only pops up the first time you link the accounts, so you won't need to do it every single time. After you've signed in, you'll see an authorization screen asking for permission for PandaDoc to connect to your OneDrive. This is where you officially give the green light. Click Accept to move forward. It's kind of like handing a trusted friend a key to your file cabinet. You're allowing PandaDoc to browse and pull files, but only as you direct. And that's it. Once you click Accept, your OneDrive is now seamlessly connected to PandaDoc. From here on, you can quickly insert any documents, images, or videos you've got stored in OneDrive right into your PandaDoc projects. No more time spent downloading files to your computer or toggling between apps. Everything is streamlined and you stay in the flow. So there you have it, a simple way to supercharge your document workflow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And for more step-by-step tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.